Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on? I'm Josh from Marta Trading, and I hope you are all having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. So, today we are going to be talking about one of the hottest stocks at the moment, and that will be SNDL. SNDL Growers Incorporated. As I'm sure everyone watching this video knows, marijuana company had a massive increase over the past month. It's been huge. So before you get into the video, make sure you drop a like, you subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know what we can do to get better and help us to help you, okay? So, what is actually happening with SNDL? Because as we can see from the graph, we have had just a constant uptrend from where it was struggling and on the verge of dropping out of the stock exchange and being listed as a penny stock. It's now got rid of its penny stock status and it is just taken off over the past month. So what is the reason for that? Well, Reddit. Big one is Reddit. Just because you can class it as a meme stock or whatever you like. But as we always say, with big interest becomes the demand to buy. With the demand, yeah, you get it, price rises. So that is one of the big reasons for this massive run up. Another reason for the run up, the market as a whole has been trending consistently upwards for ages, really. It's only very recently have we seen like the S&P start falling off and the Nasdaq fell off a little bit and the Dow Jones just not really doing anything. So the market was rising consistently, and now the market is starting to correct itself, as we've seen. So look here. So Amazon's down, Microsoft down, Alibaba's down, Facebook down, Uber down, Alphabet down, Netflix down. So it's all correcting itself at the moment. So this is just following suit, because as we say, when the market bleeds, everything bleeds, and that is why it's such a good time to buy, and that's why we love red days. Everything's on discount, so you buy for cheap, and even good buys lose price when the market bleeds. So that's when you stock up on that. Easy money. Before we continue, I need to remind you I am not a financial advisor. I am merely a university student doing economics and finance. And yeah, so you need to make sure you do your own due diligence. As we always say, all stocks are battlefields. We can help you identify the battlefields, but we can't fight them for you. So that is just imperative. Make sure you do your own due diligence. And yeah, that's just all the legal spiel that we need to get out of the way. So, as we've just discussed, it has fallen off here due to the market sell-off. Will it keep falling? Potentially. With the stock market, there are unprecedented highs at, like, the stock market will go higher than you think and lower than you think as well. There's just the only two certains in the stock market are constant change and the fact that a stock will only ever trend upwards, downwards, or sideways. It never go backwards ever. So it can fall lower than we think and it will rise higher than we think. But will I see this rising again? The answer is yes. So the American stimulus, that is upcoming, I believe, mid-March or something. They're talking about it. And if that goes through, then again, I think we're going to see the market rise massively. And when the market's green, everything's green. A bit like when the market's red, everything is red. So the green is going to be going green, in a sense. So that will help this rise. For the longer term, SNDL is a very Joe Biden campaign friendly. Okay, so everyone in the Joe Biden kind of camp, to a certain extent, is more than happy with the production of marijuana. And as of such, I feel like this is going to help it. It's going to help legalize it. So the more states that legalize it, the larger audience this goes to, so the more they're selling. You can work it out. And again, so another company that has experienced the same sort of thing is Tilray. So the ticker symbol TLRY. We have done a past video, so feel free to check it out. But marijuana is a massively growing sector due to the legalization of weed. As we've already discussed, there's the high interest through Reddit. So as we can see, there's just this constant, this is happening, this is happening, this is happening, this is happening, this could happen, this could happen, this could happen. And all of these can lead to big growth in Sundial and in the marijuana industry as a whole. Analysts have said it's a good hold / buy. So I think it's like 3 analysts have said it's a good buy, and 6 or 7 analysts have said it's a hold. So again, they know more than I do, but if they're saying this is a good stock, then that's kind of where I'll take my advice from. Could this potentially hit $3? Yes, and I feel like it could potentially hit it by the end of 2021. If all of these things go through, when more states legalize it, we will start to see prices skyrocket. And the ceiling to it is unlimited, because marijuana isn't going away. It's only going to become more freely available. So I think it will be able to hit $3. And finally, there are the earnings reports coming up. So that will be a good gauge. In the run up to earnings, stocks tend to run up on speculation. We buy the rumor, we sell the news. Okay, so if you're going in it for the long run, would I hold it through the earnings? Yes. If you're just swing trading and day trading, don't swing trade through the earnings. That's dangerous, just in case the earnings are awful. So, do I think people should sell if you've got it? No, not particularly. Dependent on your price point. Obviously, people got burnt up at the top here, where it's $3.96. People did get burnt, so bottom line, it is your opinion, but personally, I'm going to be holding mine, and I am not going to be selling for the near future. That is just not something I'm going to do, because I believe that it is going to be rising in the long run. And I do a lot of day trading, but I also like long-term investing, because you do have more security there. But I do also love day trading. I find it's very enjoyable, and yeah. So that's all from me today. I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend, and yeah, have a fun trading week. So take care.